The real issue is not letters. It is the mindset behind them. Muhammad, salam be upon him, is our prophet. Musa, salam be upon him, is the prophet of the Jews. Isa, salam be upon him, is the prophet of the Christians. No, that is not correct. If we are Muslims, all of them are our prophets. From Adam to Muhammad, salam be upon them all. Now, when I say salam be upon him, some people object and say, he didn't say sallallahu alayhi wasallam. He didn't say alayhi salam. Brother, alayhi salam and salam be upon him mean the same thing. I am saying the same thing. The only issue is that I didn't say it in Arabic because some people confuse Arabic with Islam. Yes, yes, unbelievable.